Hello, welcome. A quick one on this question 47, WASSCE 2025 February edition. Given that log 5 base 3 is 1.465, we have to evaluate log 75 base 3. So basically, we want to write or rewrite the log of 75 base 3 to have something to do with what? 5. So let's find out factors of 5 that can be seen in 75. So rewriting this, I have the log of 75 base 3. The log of, I think 5 can go here. 1, remainder 2. So we have 15 times. So 5 times what? 15 base 3. I can also see that 5 can go here. Meaning 5 will be here 3. So that will give me 5 times 5 is 5 squared. So 5 squared times 3. Base 3. Now remember the properties of or the laws of logarithm. Multiplication is an addition of the argument. So the log of 5 exponent 2 base 3 plus the log of 3 base 3. Remember the third law, power law. This comes to multiply. So 2 the log 5 base 3 then log 3 base 3. Remember, log 5 base 3 is given to us. Log 3 base 3 is 1. Any log of a number to the same base is 1. So I'll just do substitution. Let's just say, but log 3 base 3 is what? 1. So I should be having 2 multiplying 1.465 plus what? 1. This very one, which is the one we are having here. So when you multiply this, it should be 0, 3, 9. So we have 2, 9, 3, 0 plus 1. But this is coming in here. So as we're having 3.93 as the value, the evaluation of this. I guess it is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.